Hello and welcome to part 4 of the Essential Training for Administrators. The purpose of uploads is to support lead outdoor activity providers and the wider sector understand the relative frequency of incidents associated with different types of lead outdoor activities, characteristics of the incidents that occur during lead outdoor activities, and the network of contributory factors involved in incident causation. To help organisations explore their data, the Uploads app provides reports that are easy to read and interpret. In this video, I'll show you the types of reports that are available, how to interpret and refine the reports, and finally how to print the reports. It is important to note that only completed incident reports and participation data are shown in the reports. So to ensure you are getting a complete and comprehensive view of the incidents that are occurring in your organisation, check that you have marked all incident reports and participation data as complete. Summary reports provide an overview of the incidents reported by your organisation. The overall summary report provides an overview of all injuries, illnesses, near misses, equipment damage, missing people and psychosocial incident types reported in your organisation. You can use the illness, injury or near miss summary reports for key stats and charts for these incident types. Maps are used to gain an overall view of how contributory factors interact and contribute to incident causation. And finally, the calendar report allows you to view overall statistics for incidents reported within a specified date range. To view reports associated with key aspects of the incident data, you can use the detailed analyses located in the Explore section. The detailed analyses provide an overview of all incidents involving that variable type. For example, it provides specific information about incident severity ratings or a breakdown of incidents per day of the week or time of day. Each report includes prime tips to help you interpret the analysis and provide suggestions of what to do next if you find a problem. On any report, you can use the Refine button to produce focused reports on particular issues. For example, you can refine the report to show incidents that have occurred during journey-based programs or those that have occurred during beach games. To do this, click on the Refine button and then select the variables of interest. The refined selections you make are shown along the top of the screen. Remove filters by clicking on the cross. Please note that you are not able to refine based on your organisation's custom fields. You can also refine the reports to only show incidents within a specified date range. To do this, select the dates icon and then select a date range from the options provided. Again, the refined criteria is shown along the top of the screen. To remove the search criteria, just click on the cross. Once you have refined your selection, you can navigate between other reports without having to refine your search each time. While you are exploring your data, you may wish to view the incident reports associated with the data shown on the screen. For example, here we can see that there were 2 incidents that occurred during cooking and eating. To view the incident reports, use the left-hand menu to click on Incidents. As you move away from the Explore Reports page and enter the Incident Reports page, you'll notice that the refined criteria is retained along the top of the screen, and the 2 incident reports associated with cooking and eating are available for viewing. Maps graphically represent the web of interacting contributory factors involved in incident causation. You can find the Map under the Summary Reports heading in the Explore section. When you click on the Map, the web of interacting factors associated with all incidents is displayed. As you can see, contributory factors can span all levels of the lead outdoor activity systems hierarchy, including state and federal government, regulatory bodies, people involved in the activity at the time of the incident, equipment, and the environment. The Map shows the most common factors identified at each level of the hierarchy and the most common interactions identified between each level. Refer to the key at the top of the Map for the identifying features. To view how one contributory factor influences other factors, click on the factor of interest. The app will then display only the interactions associated with that factor and the number of times that interaction was reported. So for example, let's click on the Regulatory Standards factor icon to see how this is interacted with other factors. We can now see that Regulatory Standards has interacted with management training 1 time. If you want to return to the view to see all interactions, click on the factor of interest again. It is highlighted by a green border. There are 2 tables provided under the Map. These tables provide the description of the factor or interaction provided by the person who reported the incident. This information is critical for formulating targeted prevention strategies. For example, this report shows that there were 2 incidents associated with communication with parents. However, one incident relates to communication around dietary requirements and the other relates to communication around travel sickness. Different strategies may be required to address these issues. Once you have explored and refined your data, you can print the reports using the print icon in the top left-hand corner of the app. This brings us to the end of part 4 of the essential information for administrators. Thanks for watching.